Have you been on the fence about starting your own business or maybe even choosing the right marketing platform for your current business? I want to show you about High-Level, and this is a boot camp plus a 30-day free trial, and this is power packed with a ton of information that I would have loved to have when I signed up for High-Level 6 months ago. And this is a boot camp plus a 30-day free trial. Usually it's a 14-day free trial, and this is a 30-day free trial. And check out what all you're going to get to learn. All these major features that would take you hours to research YouTube videos, and even though some YouTube videos may not cover everything you need to know, and this is going to teach you everything needed with each of these main features on how to sell it, how to set it up, all that good stuff with all these crazy bonuses. Joining this bootcamp is going to be a ton of fun, but it's also going to help catapult your business. You're literally going to walk away from this with a live business ready to go. And if you click my link, I'm also going to work with you after the bootcamp on a one-on-one basis to make sure that you're successful. I currently use High-Level in my own marketing agency, and I love it. It's provided a new time, freedom, and quality of life for me and my family, and I want to help others also achieve that. So click my link here, literally no risk, and it's going to be a ton of fun. I'll see you on the other side.